Welcome. Hapa. Welcome, Your Excellency. Yeah. Your Excellency, welcome. We have the Ambeere South water project, and we are starting with the lot one. The one that you have come to launch, where we will have the water source as Kaburu Dam. We will have a floating intake in the dam, and then we have a treatment plant which will treat 10,000 cubic meters of water per day, and then we have 3 storage tanks which will amount to 1,500 cubic meters storage, and then we have distribution lines which will be 120 kilometers in total. The beneficiary, Your Excellency, will be estimated at 150,000. This project, when it is implemented, it will be used for the next 30 years. It will be possible. And the total cost is 789 million. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, to start, Your Excellency. Yes. And this is the area of coverage. The Kamburu will cover Mafuria and the Ambeere South wards. And yes, Mafuria and the Ambeere South ward will pump water from here and take it to Manyare A tank and the Manyare B tank, and then gravitate to all the supply area. Then in lot 2, we'll have Kiambere intake, which will be also a floating intake on Kiambere Dam. Kiambere Dam. Yes, it's under the same component. Yes, phase 2 of this project.
So phase 1 is here, and then lot 2 is here. Then phase 2 now goes to Kiambere, which will finish the whole of the...
So this 789, is it just for phase 1?
Yeah, for phase 1, for this one.
Yeah. Phase 1?
Yes. The total project cost is 2.1 billion, Your Excellency. Yes, sir.
And you can say it is in Ambeere North. They're floating here. This is Ambeere North.
Yes, it will. You see, you have already covered Ambeere North, a part of the supply area within this. When you do this,
Excellency, this covers the whole of Ambeere South constituency.
Ambeere, Mafuria, and Ambeere South.
Makema and Moya.
So it will cover even Makema?
Yes, we have another intake here, Your Excellency. 2.1 billion. Yeah.
And this is largely a dry area, right?
Yes. This is why they are celebrating.
Your Excellency, this is what we have done so far, the intervention. This is what we have completed in the last 2 years. We have we have been able to spend 54.3 million to cover 190 households. Among the projects that we have finished is the extension of water to Moi Stadium, Embu. We have done Ovaleria Bohol and others. All that, they are, in total, there are 9 of them. The ongoing, including this one, there are 18, where we are spending 924 million to cover the households which you cover. When we do all this, it will be 2,900 households. And then we have the water projects that which are ongoing. We have in Chicago, Makutano, and biogas production unit in Chicago Girls. Yes. Now these are the proposed projects, Your Excellency. We have the Bakaraba water project, which will cover the upper part of Ambeere South. And then we have Runyeje's water project. This is already under ADB, the National Urban Project, and it's already approved, and it's even the website of the ADB. We have project. This one, we also have given the proposal to the Italian development support. Yes, and
So we need your support on that agenda because
yes, the Embu water, this is Embu and environs. this will cover towns like Enna, Chicago, and Embu Town, and also the sewerage.
Tumpe makofi.